And I have a surprise for her. We had a box that came. Is that Cookie's box? Is that Cookie's box? Do you like your box? We have a box that came just for her. Now the fun thing is she loves this toy, right? Is that your favorite? Is that your... Oh, do you love the baby? She's mad that I'm loving on the baby. Oh, okay. All right, you want to get it? Ready and get it. Get it. No, get it, Cookie, get it. Oh, I know. Okay. Now, she wants to know what's going on. You got a present, Cookie? Let's see what's in the box for you. Are you ready? Is it Cookie's box? She's smelling it. Oh, she's smelling it. Can you get what's in the box? Oh, she wants what's in the box. Oh, ready? What's in the box?
No. Oh no.
I think she loves it. Cookie, what is this? What is... Oh, she's got it. Oh, Cookie, look, it's a laptop. It's a new laptop. I think she's afraid because it's big. Oh,
It's bigger than she is.
You want to kill it? You want to kill it? Oh, get it. Oh.
It's bigger than she
Ready?
is.
Let's see if it has any of those things. Oh, it doesn't have any squeakers. I'll have to put some in. Oh, let's do it. What do you think, Cookie? Ready? Yeah!